Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure dividends with Fidelity Investments, beginner guide step by step clearly. To start securing dividends with Fidelity Investments, create an account on their website. Visit fidelity.com and click on the Open an Account button. Fill in the required personal information, such as your name, email address, and social security number. Choose the type of account that suits your needs, such as a brokerage or retirement account. Complete the application process by following the on-screen. Once your account is open, log into your Fidelity account. Navigate to the Research tab to explore available dividend-paying stocks. Use the stock screener to filter for companies that pay dividends. Look for key metrics like dividend yield, payment history, and payout ratio. Select a few stocks that interest you and review their performance and financial health. After your research, decide how much money you want to invest in these dividend stocks. Go to the trade section and enter the stock symbol of the company you've chosen. Specify the number of shares you want to purchase and review the total cost. Choose your order type, such as market or limit order, and then place the trade. Once you've acquired your dividend stocks, monitor your investments regularly. Check Fidelity's platform for any updates on dividend announcements. Set alerts for dividend payments and any relevant news about your holdings. As dividends are paid, they will appear in your account as cash. Decide if you want to reinvest those dividends or withdraw them. To reinvest, opt for a dividend reinvestment plan, or DRIP, if available. Stay informed about market trends and changes that could affect your investments. Regularly review your portfolio to ensure it aligns with your financial goals. Consider diversifying your holdings for greater security and steady income. By following these steps, you can effectively secure dividends using Fidelity Investments. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.